This is going to be tutorial 1 for the Cargo Bay Chase game that was demonstrated in class. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and change the title from Untitled to Cargo Game Chase or Cargo Bay Chase. That way we know what we're working on. Not going to worry about share settings yet or anything. We're going to go ahead and get this game done before we share it. We want everything in this game to start based on the green flag being clicked. That's like putting our quarter in. So we'll go to controls, or pardon me, we'll go to events. When the green flag is clicked, first thing we're going to do now is work on Sprite 1, which is our cat. And we want the cat to follow the mouse pointer. We want the mouse to be the control for this game. So we'll go to motion and point in direction. No, we want go to. So go to not random position, but mouse pointer. And we want this event to repeat forever during the course of our game. I'm going to click that into our green start flag. And now if we demo this, you should see that our mouse controls where Scratch Cat goes. So we'll go ahead and click stop there. We're going to name this sprite. We don't want to leave it Sprite 1 because we're going to actually wind up having 3 sprites in this game. So we'll go ahead and rename him as Cat. That'll make things a lot easier when we get into the variables aspect of things. So that is the very first part. We've got our mouse clicker, or not our mouse clicker, but we got our mouse control for Scratch Cat. So now we're able to go in here and we're going to add a secondary sprite. That sprite is going to be just this yellow ball. We're not going to leave the ball exactly as it is. We're going to make some changes to it. So the first thing that we're going to do with the ball is, again, we want the green flag to start our events. And just for those of you that maybe aren't as familiar with Scratch, I'm on Sprite 2, or I'm on the ball. If I click back to the cat, none of that coding is gone. That's just dedicated to the cat, whereas this is coding that we're setting to the ball sprite. So when the green flag is clicked for the ball, it's going to have the motion of moving 10 steps. But we also want the ball to, if it hits an edge, come back into the game field. So if on edge, bounce. So this has the ball moving 10 steps, and as soon as it encounters that edge, it's going to bounce back. We want these events to repeat again forever. We're going to use this quite a bit. And you want to make sure that your coding goes inside the forever, not on the outside. So you've got this repeating forever. It's going to move 10 steps, if on edge, bounce, forever. So that's how that loop continues to go. Drag that back in, click it. So now our green flag not only does the cat, but it also does the ball. We click the green flag, you see our ball is bouncing back and forth, moving 10 steps at a time, and our cat is being moved or controlled by the mouse pointer. So far so good there. We've got kind of a boring background, excuse me, so we are going to next change our stage. Click down here to choose a backdrop. And for this particular one, we want to use the neon tunnel. So that gives us a little bit more interest. Kind of looks like the Cargo Bay game, like it needs to.